At UEI College in Fresno, we're preparing the next generation of skilled HVAC technicians. Our hands-on program trains students to master the tools, technology, and techniques that employers demand. At UEI College, our HVAC program focuses on what matters most: hands-on learning. From day one, students dive into real-world scenarios in our fully equipped labs, and our dedicated instructors ensure every student gets the support they need to succeed.
The way that UEI teaches HVAC, it's all hands-on. All the instructors very hands-on and, help you along the way.
I would definitely say yes, go to UEI. I just appreciate all the assistance that UEI has given me even after I've graduated.
Since we've started our program, we've had over 800 graduates, and I'm very proud to say that big percentage of those graduates who are out there currently working in all areas of our industry.
UEI College graduates are job ready when they graduate and building successful careers at leading companies like Costless Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning right here in Fresno.
I've hired a lot of UEI grads because they come here with the basic knowledge already for us to groom them. And we're just able to show them a little bit more of the hands-on out in the field, and within a couple months, they're able to get out there in their own service truck.
I'm glad I went to UEI because it got me out of what I was in at the situation at the time, and it's where I'm at right now, and it's for my career.
With UEI, I learned a lot. I like working with my hands, so when the guy talked to me about HVAC, I was like, that's probably perfect for me, so I joined.
I liked it. I learned a lot there. It's a great program, honestly. I recommend it to the next guy.
Are you ready to start your own journey to success? Join the HVAC program at UEI College in Fresno and take the first step towards a rewarding career.